Welcome to the Young Explorers podcast. I'm your host, Alice, and today we have a fun and exciting episode lined up for you. We're diving into the world of monkeys, one of the most fascinating and playful animals in the jungle. Joining me are our three young explorers, Emily, Jack, and Mia. Say hi, everyone.
Hi.
Let's kick things off with some fun facts about monkeys. Emily, why don't you start?
Did you know that monkeys can understand basic arithmetic? They can actually count and do simple math problems.
That's so cool. I read that some monkeys, like capuchins, use tools to help them find food. They use sticks to get insects out of tree bark.
And there are monkeys that can swim. The macaques in Japan love to swim in hot springs during winter to stay warm.
Those are some awesome facts. Monkeys are truly amazing. They have so many unique skills and behaviors that make them special. Did you know that monkeys also have their own forms of communication? They use various sounds, facial expressions, and body movements to talk to each other.
Wow, that's like how we use words and gestures.
I also heard that some monkeys can learn sign language. Scientists have taught them to communicate with humans using their hands.
That's incredible. Monkeys are so smart.
Absolutely. Monkeys are among the most intelligent animals on Earth. They can solve puzzles, learn new skills, and even show empathy to one another. For example, capuchin monkeys have been observed washing their food before eating it. And some monkeys, like the vervet monkeys, have specific alarm calls to warn their troop of different predators.
I've read about vervet monkeys. They have different calls for snakes, eagles, and leopards.
And speaking of capuchin monkeys, they're really clever. They've been known to use stones to crack open nuts and shells.
I love how each monkey species has its own special skills and behaviors. It's like they have their own unique personalities.
Exactly. Monkeys are very diverse, and their behaviors can be fascinating to observe. Let's talk about some more fun facts. Did you know that some monkeys have prehensile tails?
What does that mean?
A prehensile tail is a tail that can grasp or hold objects. It's like having an extra hand. Monkeys with prehensile tails can use them to hang from branches, grab food, and even hold on to their babies.
That's amazing. It must be so useful to have a tail like that.
I wish I had a prehensile tail. It would be so much fun to swing from trees.
It sure would be. And speaking of swinging from trees, monkeys are known for their agility and strength. They can leap great distances and move quickly through the treetops. This helps them avoid predators and find food.
Monkeys are really incredible animals. I love learning about them.
Me too. There's so much to discover.
I can't wait to learn more.
And we will. But first, let's talk about the different types of monkeys and where they come from. There are many different types of monkeys, each with their own unique features and habitats. Jack, can you tell us about one type of monkey?
Sure. My favorite is the spider monkey. They have really long arms and tails that they use to swing from tree to tree. They live in the rainforests of Central and South America.
I like the mandrill. They have colorful faces and are the largest monkeys in the world. You can find them in the rainforests of Africa.
The pygmy marmoset is my favorite. They're the smallest monkeys and can fit in the palm of your hand. They live in the rainforests of South America.
Wow, spider monkeys, mandrills, and pygmy marmosets are all so different and interesting. It's amazing how diverse the monkey family is. Let's dive a little deeper into each of these types. Jack, tell us more about spider monkeys.
Spider monkeys are really cool. They have long, thin limbs and prehensile tails, which means they can use their tails to grab onto branches. This makes them excellent climbers and swingers. They're also very social and live in groups called troops. Spider monkeys are known for their loud calls, which they use to communicate with each other across the dense forest.
Mandrills are known for their bright red and blue faces. The males have the most colorful faces, which they use to attract females. They're also very strong and can be quite aggressive if they feel threatened. Mandrills live in large groups called hordes, which can have hundreds of members. They mainly eat fruits, insects, and small animals.
Pygmy marmosets are super tiny and adorable. They weigh only about 100 grams and are just 5 to 6 inches long, not including their tail. They live in the treetops and are very agile. They mainly eat tree sap, insects, and fruits. Pygmy marmosets are very social and live in family groups. They communicate with high-pitched calls and are known for their playful behaviour.
Those are some fascinating details. Monkeys have adapted to live in various environments, from dense rainforests to savannas and even snowy mountains. Let's talk about another interesting monkey, the howler monkey. Emily, do you know anything about howler monkeys?
Yes. Howler monkeys are known for their loud, booming calls, which can be heard up to 3 miles away. They use these calls to communicate with each other and to mark their territory. Howler monkeys have a large hyoid bone in their throat, which helps amplify their calls.
That's so cool! I've heard recordings of howler monkeys, and they're really loud.
Howler monkeys also have prehensile tails and are excellent climbers. They live in the rainforests of Central and South America and mainly eat leaves, fruits and flowers.
Excellent. Howler monkeys are truly impressive with their loud calls and strong tails. Now, let's talk about a monkey that's known for its intelligence, the chimpanzee. Mia, can you tell us about chimpanzees?
Chimpanzees are one of the closest relatives to humans. They share about 98% of their DNA with us. Chimpanzees are incredibly intelligent and have been observed using tools such as sticks to extract termites from mounds and stones to crack open nuts. They also have complex social structures and communicate with a variety of vocalizations, facial expressions, and gestures.
I've seen videos of chimpanzees using tools. It's amazing how similar they are to us.
And they're very strong, too. Chimpanzees are much stronger than humans, even though they're smaller.
That's right. Chimpanzees are fascinating animals with incredible intelligence and strength. They live in the forests and savannas of Central and West Africa and have complex social groups led by an alpha male. Chimpanzees are known for their playful behavior and strong family bonds.
Monkeys are so diverse and interesting. There's so much to learn about them.
I agree. Each type of monkey has its own unique traits and behaviors.
I love learning about monkeys. They're such amazing animals.
And we're just getting started. Now, let's talk about monkeys in stories and culture. Monkeys have been a big part of stories and culture for a long time. Emily, do you have a favourite story that features monkeys?
Yes. I love the story of the monkey and the crocodile from Indian folklore. It's about a clever monkey who outwits a crocodile that wants to eat him. The monkey uses his wits to trick the crocodile and escape.
I like the book Curious George. It's about a monkey who gets into all sorts of adventures and trouble, but always finds a way out. George is curious and playful, and his curiosity often leads to unexpected situations.
My favourite is The Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. The character King Louie is a fun-loving orangutan who sings and dances. He wants to be like humans and learn the secret of fire. King Louie is a memorable and entertaining character.
Those are great stories. Monkeys definitely add a lot of fun and excitement to books and movies. In many cultures, monkeys are seen as symbols of playfulness, curiosity, and cleverness. In Chinese culture, for example, the Monkey King is a legendary figure known for his incredible strength and magical abilities. He can transform into different animals and objects, and he uses his powers to fight evil and protect the innocent.
I've heard about the Monkey King. He's such a cool character.
And in Hindu mythology, there's Hanuman, the monkey god who is a symbol of devotion and strength. Hanuman is known for his loyalty and bravery. He played a crucial role in the epic story of Ramayana, helping Lord Rama rescue his wife Sita from the demon king Ravana.
Monkeys are also popular in many children's cartoons and TV shows. They're always so entertaining to watch. Characters like Abu from Aladdin and Rafiki from The Lion King are iconic and beloved by many.
We've had a fantastic time talking about monkeys today.